Avoiding common pitfalls in game development can help streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and increase the chances of success for your project. Here are tips to avoid some of the most common pitfalls. Lack of planning. Plan your game development process thoroughly before diving into production. Define clear goals, scope, and requirements for your game, and create a detailed project plan with milestones, deadlines, and deliverables. A well-planned project is more likely to stay on track and avoid costly delays and scope creep. Feature creep. Beware of feature creep, the tendency to continuously add new features and content to your game without considering the impact on scope, budget, and timeline. Stick to your initial vision and prioritize essential features that align with your game's core gameplay experience. Be disciplined about managing scope and resist the temptation to add unnecessary features that can derail your project. Poor time management. Manage your time effectively by setting realistic deadlines, allocating sufficient time for each task, and avoiding procrastination. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, and use time management techniques such as Pomodoro technique or time blocking to stay focused and productive. Avoid overcommitting or taking on too many projects simultaneously, which can lead to burnout and missed deadlines. Lack of communication. Foster open and transparent communication within your development team to ensure everyone is aligned on goals, expectations, and progress. Hold regular meetings, stand-ups, or check-ins to discuss project updates, address issues, and share feedback. Use collaboration tools such as project management software, messaging apps, or version control systems to facilitate communication and collaboration. Ignoring player feedback. Listen to player feedback throughout the development process and use it to inform your decisions and improvements. Conduct playtesting sessions, gather feedback from alpha and beta testers, and monitor player reactions and reviews to identify areas for improvement and address player concerns. Ignoring player feedback can lead to missed opportunities for iteration and refinement, resulting in a less satisfying game experience. Inadequate testing and quality assurance. Prioritize testing and quality assurance throughout the development process to identify and address bugs, glitches, and performance issues early on. Conduct thorough testing on multiple devices, platforms, and configurations to ensure compatibility and stability. Invest in automated testing tools, bug tracking systems, and external testing services to streamline the testing process and maintain high-quality standards. Perfectionism. Strive for excellence in your game development work, but avoid falling into the trap of perfectionism, which can lead to endless refinement and paralysis by analysis. Recognize when a feature or asset is good enough to ship and prioritize progress over perfection. Set realistic expectations for yourself and your team, and be willing to make compromises when necessary to meet deadlines and deliverables. Poor project management. Invest in effective project management practices to keep your game development project organized, efficient, and on track. Use project management tools, such as Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or task trackers, to plan, track, and prioritize tasks and milestones. Delegate responsibilities, establish clear roles and responsibilities, and empower team members to take ownership of their work. Underestimating resources. Be realistic about the resources, time, and budget required to complete your game project successfully. Conduct thorough research and planning to estimate the resources needed for development, marketing, and post-launch support. Consider factors such as team size, skill level, tools, technology, and external dependencies when estimating resources. Avoid underestimating resources, which can lead to overwork, burnout, and compromised quality. Lack of marketing and promotion. Start marketing and promoting your game early in the development process to build anticipation and awareness among your target audience. Develop a marketing plan and strategy that includes social media, press outreach, community engagement, and promotional events. Allocate sufficient time and resources for marketing and promotion to ensure your game reaches its intended audience and stands out in a crowded market. By avoiding these common pitfalls and implementing best practices in game development, you can increase the likelihood of success for your project and create a more enjoyable and satisfying game experience for players.